Energy transfers in a roller coaster. Objective: students will understand that energy can change from one form to another, cause objects to move, and when one energy increases, it could cause others to decrease in the system. Some people can't get enough of the steep drops, sudden turns, and high speeds that roller coasters provide. But did you know that behind all the screams and excitement lies an important lesson about energy? You may have learned that energy is the ability to do work or cause change. Energy exists in a variety of forms. Heat, light, sound, or motion are sure signs that some form of energy is present and being used. Moving objects have what is called mechanical energy. Mechanical means produced by or relating to a machine. A car driving along a road or an airplane in flight are examples of machines that have mechanical energy. But any object that is in motion or raised above the ground also has mechanical energy. Think of a ball flying through the air or a piece of fruit on a table. In this lesson, you'll learn how mechanical energy makes things move. Think about it. What are three objects that have mechanical energy? Roller coasters are designed to run on two basic scientific principles: gravity and the transfer of energy. On Earth, gravity is the force that pulls objects towards the ground. The transfer of energy is what causes objects at rest to move and objects in motion to slow or stop. Roller coasters move along a track as energy changes form and is transferred into and out of the cars. Here's a video of Chris Gray, a mechanical engineer, talking about roller coaster design. Think about it. What causes roller coasters to move? The mechanical energy in a moving object is the combination of potential energy and kinetic energy. Potential energy, often referred to as stored energy, is energy of position, and kinetic energy is energy in motion. When engineers design a roller coaster, they must create the greatest amount of potential energy at the beginning of the ride. This is because after the start, the cars will move under their own power to finish. Engineers have a motor pull the cars to the highest peak, where potential energy is greatest, very early in the ride, and then allow the force of gravity to keep the cars moving. As the cars start to descend or fall down the track, the potential energy converts or changes into kinetic energy. At the bottom of the hill, the first hill, kinetic energy is greatest, and this drives the cars up the next hill. The roller coaster cars, the track, the motor that drives the chain that pulls the cars uphill, and Earth's gravity all work together as a system in which energy changes from one form to another. Think back to the original discussion you did. At what point did the roller coaster have the most potential energy? What about kinetic energy?